Today we'll be bottling my mead. What you'll need to do is to sterilize your bottles in very hot water and a cup full of bleach. What I do to put some water in is just submerge the whole in and just shake it all about. And that's pretty much how you can sanitize your bottles before you bottle them. Now that you sanitized all your bottles, now you need to rinse them out. I just drained the bleach water and just do the same thing. And just swish it around and there you go. That's how you would sanitize the bottles. So yeah, like, get your carboy up on a high platform. Like I'm using my deep freeze. Remove your bung and your airlock. I would like to do like a hydrometer reading just to be sure what alcohol by volume it is. To do that, I usually like to use my base to that I like to use for my barbecuing. Just stick it in. And it is 1.80 and my original reading was 1.13. So now you put your siphon in like this and in your bottle, and now you start to pump. I'll stroke it however you want to float. Two things. As you can see, my mead's actually carbonated. Yay. And well, shit, I spilled some. Kind of got mad over spilled milk white. To cork it, I have a hand corker. You put it in here, then you put it on the bottle. And it's very difficult to do.
Make sure your cork is centered.
And make sure it's centered as well. And push down like you're taking a shit. There you go. I didn't mention this before, but I would fill it up to go right to the bottom of the stout, or whatever this is, like the neck. Then I would cork them the way I was showing you before. And I would wash off all the bottles, just, use some warm water, just to, and just wipe it off. And that's how I would bottle all of these. After your bottles have been dried, I usually like to put like cheap ass labels on my bottles. I just use masking tape, and I just put mead when I bottled December 31st of 2017. If you're watching this in the future, hopefully this aged well. If not, well, shit. I think I'm gonna need a bigger wine rack. As you can see, I put all of my mead on my rack. and let it age for a minimum of 6 to 7 months before it is palatable to drink. Then there you go, you have your own first mead.